black cherries for the puppy dog. You want a black cherry? Okay. Where is it? I'm gonna put them in here now. Black cherries. Yeah. Black cherries. Black cherries. There they are. Yummy. Yum yum. Oh, he wants a black cherry. Yummy. Now, where is it? There it is. Yummy. Another one? Do you want another one? Ooh, there it is. Cherry. And another one. There we are. Cherry. Cherry, there it is. Black cherry. Yummy. One more, last one. It's a real cherry, black cherry from the can. Yummy. Was that nice? Say thank you. Thank you.